in this video real quick. Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl. I'm in Chicago for a lash training one-on-one. I want to bring you with me, and I'm going to pack the lash kit. I literally have like 25 minutes to pack it before she gets here. So I'm staying at the Hilton. I'm in Chicago. It's really not Chicago, it's like the suburbs of Chicago, but it's a volume one-on-one class. The girl's already trained in classics. Her name is Leslie, adorable girl. So I have my manual. Even though it's the classic one, I'm teaching her some of the fundamentals of lashing still, and then we're gonna focus on volume. So I'm gonna pack the kit here with you guys today so you can see what that kind of looks like behind the scenes type of thing. I have to prop up my camera, which I don't know how I'm gonna do it. I don't know how I'm gonna do it. Shouldn't have stayed up late last night. Again, I'm always on Forces Live all the time. I was not on there this time, but I just was tuning in. Stayed up till like 3 in the morning, couldn't sleep. Never can really sleep in hotels because of the noise and stuff. Woke up at 10 o'clock, got showered, did my makeup, hair, got ready, everything, and I took all of my stuff from the room down to my car, and then I got the kit out of my car. So I'm gonna do the kit with you guys here today. So this is her certificate. Here it looks like this is my volume certificate. Then we got the training manual. All of my students get a digital copy and a physical copy of the training manual. It just literally goes over everything that they need to know. So there's that. We put that in here. Everything for me is really important about presentation and how it looks, and everything of mine is always on brand. You will always see my logo, you will always see my colors. I am huge on branding. Your brand is what makes you stand out. Other people just do like plain folders or plain pink folders. Like mine is customized. I designed this myself in Canva. Beginner training manual. I have a QR code on the back. My Instagram name is there. Welcome to Lash Bootcamp. It's just very, very professional. This right here sets me apart from my competition so much, you guys. So it's so important to do the little things, because the little things create big results, okay? I print out everything, all of my stuff from Office Depot and Office Max. It's a game changer. Do it ahead of time, not like me, because I do wait last minute and I procrastinate. And I just watched something today about procrastination, so that's something that I'm trying to overcome this year. We got gel pads. I want to pack it in here like nice and neat. You get a fan. See this packaging? Like I got these packages from Amazon and I put it in there. I could have just thrown the tape in there, but it doesn't look aesthetically pleasing, and it just looks nice and neat when you do take the time to brand your stuff. Again, we got the iPads, we got a gel remover. You need that for sure. So in the volume class, you get 3 tweezers. You got eyelash mirror here. Nano mister, that's important. You got the classic tweezers, a straight tweezer, a curved tweezer, and then a volume tweezer. Jade stone. 2 lash trays, 1 classic, 1 volume. I did give her Easy Fan. This is 0.07 D curl 8 to 14 mix. Easy Fan. I like to start my girls out with Easy Fans and then work their way up to practicing with the regular fans. That's just how I learned, and it was easier for me, so I like to train the same way. We got some glue here. And what else? Lash wands. Micro.
body busy tonight. Joanna, making all the dummy tonight. Joanna, your busy body giving me life, oh, hey life, hey. Why you do me like Joanna, Joanna? Why you do me like Joanna, Joanna? How you gonna do me like Joanna, Joanna? Hey Joanna, Joanna. Ay ay ay. Hey, how you gonna play me like Drogba, ho? How you gonna do me like Drogba, ho? Oh, DJ Drogba, ho. Eh, DJ Drogba, ho. Joanna, your busy body busy tonight. Joanna, making all the dummy tonight. Joanna, your busy body giving me life, oh, hey life, hey. Why you do me like Joanna, Joanna? Why you do me like Joanna, Joanna? How you gonna do me like Joanna, Joanna? Hey Joanna, Joanna. You like Joanna, Joanna? Why you do me like Joanna, Joanna? How you gonna do me like Joanna, Joanna? Hey Joanna, Joanna.
That's good. That's good. You see how it's wide at the top and then narrow at the bottom? You want to make sure the base is skinny and thick at the top.
Nah.
Yeah. Good. See, look at how you're getting better each one. That's better. That's better. See? 4 in. All right. Keep going. Place them next to each other. You can see the difference between them. You see? You see?
Ya soy profesional.
It is. And that too, so you don't want all of them to be exactly the same because that's going to add dimension to your sets. So if you have fluffy, skinny, it's going to make it look better instead of just all uniform straight across. No. No.
Destroy it.
It's not. No. Leave it. Toss it.
Ay, Diosito Santo, por favor, ayúdame.
We're going to get you there. I'm going to help. Yep. Grab with the tweezer. Place again. Pinch.
Pinched.
And then, yeah.
No.
A little bit thick. At the
Okay.
base. The base, like if the base is square like that, you don't want to keep it because then when you place it, it can irritate their eye and it could be too heavy for the lash.
Okay, so todo shit.
Toss. That's alright. I cuss a lot, so that's okay. It's okay. So when you grab, just make sure you don't grab too many. Like that's good. That's good. Right there. Yep, that's good. And then pinch. Don't second guess the pinching part. I feel like you overthink the pinching part.
I am.
Don't overthink. And then the tweezers, you slide them, and that's gonna help. Perfect. Let go. Perfect.
Oh,
Perfect. So it's not all the way with the fans, but that's okay. When you dip it and place it, it's still gonna look good in the set. So don't over. Be like it's not perfect. It's fine. It's fine. Then place it next to it. Yep. But then when you look at it, when you look at it, it creates that wisp. You see, like this, and then that's a little bit thicker, and then that. So then your next one is gonna blend it all together.
That you don't understand, but I'm losing my patience. 'Cause we've been going over and over again. home. And here I do. No, I gotta get it, baby, get it, baby, get it inside now. You know that I just wanna make love. Want you to scream and shout. And baby, we're not deep in it now. I'ma slow it down, 'cause ain't no peace in me. I'm moving it to the sound. Way up in the lights now. Why your pussy so damn good, mistake? Go and put that booty up, baby, when I want. You know I'ma go crazy. Between your legs and me and the air. You know your panties never getting in the way. You know I got my right. We make this work for real.
My face is so shiny today. I don't know if it's this new foundation, but like usually my skin is really dry, but it's really, really oily today. Class was so good. It was such a success. I can't believe that people want me to train them from other states. Like, that's so crazy to me, and I feel so blessed and like beyond grateful, beyond thankful. It was really good, and I'm gonna go drive back to Wisconsin now, and I just can't believe this is my life. I can't believe that I'm like impacting people and people believe in me enough to like book me in other states. Even though it's not far, like it's a big deal to me because 2 years ago I was unhappy working a job that I was miserable with, and like now I work for myself and like I have more time with my kids and stuff. And I broke out. Look at my forehead. It's like my eczema is bad, but yeah, I'm just thankful, and I can't believe this is my life, and I'm grateful, and I'm just overwhelmed with gratitude, honestly. Like, I'm just happy. And a lot of times when stuff like this happens, like, I'll be discouraged. I'll be like, should I give up? The economy is bad. And then, like, I don't know, God just always shows me that, like, no, you're doing the right thing. You're on the right path. Like, you're living in your purpose. Stop doubting me. Stop doubting yourself. Like, you're good, you know? So I'm so thankful. I don't want to get emotional. I don't want to cry on camera, so I'm gonna get off. But I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching my vlog, and I will see you in my next video. Gotta drive now.